The beauty of Japanese kimonos encompasses a wide range, but 5 particularly striking aspects are as follows. Expression of tradition and culture. The kimono symbolizes Japanese tradition and culture, embodying the country's history, art, and customs. The selection of kimonos based on the seasons with their patterns and colors and for special occasions reflects Japanese culture. Delicate craftsmanship. The process of making a kimono is labor-intensive and requires delicate craftsmanship. From weaving and dyeing to embroidery, the skilled work of artisans honed over many years is evident in the fine details, breathing life into the fabric. Richness of materials. Kimonos are made from various natural materials, including silk, linen, and cotton. These materials are comfortable to wear throughout the seasons and offer different textures and lusters, enhancing the beauty of the kimono. Beauty of patterns and colors. The patterns on kimonos are diverse, inspired by the beauty of nature, seasonal changes, and traditional geometric designs. The range of colors is extensive, from subdued to vibrant, allowing for selection suitable for various occasions. The combination of these patterns and colors creates the unique beauty of the kimono. Highlighting individual personality. The kimono reflects the wearer's taste, from the way the obi is tied to the choice of accessories. It can be adjusted to fit each individual's body shape and preferences, allowing for a beautiful and personalized expression.